Hi there, it's Mira from MailMoo. In this video I will discover our new feature, LinkedIn Automation. So here I have my demo workspace open. At first let's go to Settings, Workspace and LinkedIn Accounts. Here you can connect your LinkedIn accounts, you can connect one account or multiple accounts. I also have my first account connected here. So let's start adjusting the limits. If you haven't previously done LinkedIn automation, I suggest going with the warm-up, or if you have done some automation, maybe start with the medium. But I would recommend starting with low limits and then increasing them gradually over time. I will start with the warm-up. Next, let's go to the campaigns and create our first LinkedIn sequence. Here I already have some campaigns ready, so the videos and slideshows are personalized. Let's go to the LinkedIn tab and create our first sequence. At first I want to preset the profile of the lead. After that, let's send connection request. After sending the connection request, let's wait for 1 day and then send a personalized message. Here we have the message, but let's personalize this a little bit. So we can add variables to the messages. For instance, on my data I have the first name, so I can add that. Then let's add also the link of the video. Like this. And remember to update the blog. Then we also have options to add a little bit more complicated conditional things. So for instance, based on whether the lead has opened the message or has replied to the message, we can also create some automations. For instance, we can do automation depending on if the lead has opened the message. If the lead hasn't opened the message, we could, for instance, react to one of their posts, and if they have opened the message, we can add another condition, so based on if they have replied or not. Remember, it's always a good thing to do a little bit A/B testing. I usually put my lead list in half and create different campaigns for first and second part of my lead list. So now we have our LinkedIn sequence ready, so let's go to the settings. On the settings we can select the accounts we want to add to this specific campaign. One account can be added also to multiple campaigns, and then the limits of the accounts will be divided between those campaigns. Here we can also edit the schedule. We can disable some days, for instance, if we don't want to send messages on weekends, and also we can change the times. So these times are currently in UTC 0. Now we are ready to launch our campaign. We can do it here, and in a while we can go to the analytics and see some data, how your campaign has performed, how the LinkedIn part has performed, and how the videos have performed, who has opened the video, who has booked a meeting from the video. So that's all regarding the new feature. If you want to get started with personalized videos or LinkedIn automation, you can get started by yourself at mailmoo.io or book a demo meeting. Have a good day.